Hey everyone, so today I'm going to my friend's wedding. Now both of my friends are getting married on the same exact dates, and you Asians know that basically we have a mehndi, which is a henna kind of event, and then we have a barat, which is the wedding nikah type of thing, and then we have the walima as well. So the 3 dates, except for today's date, which is only one friend, have been the exact same dates, and they live about an hour away from each other, so it wasn't like I could go to one and then go to the other, but I did attempt it on one occasion. Anyway, it's a lot more easier because today is my friend's barat, and tomorrow is my other friend's final series of wedding stuff, which is the walima. I'm supposed to be there at 1 p.m, so I'm trying to leave at 12 because it takes me an hour to get there. Now I'm wearing the dress right now. It's designed by my mother's new clothing line, Anha. I'm so excited because usually I take pictures of the outfits that my mother's designed or made for me, and people are like, where'd you get it from? So now she finally has her own clothing line, Anha. I'll leave it in the description below. You guys check it out, okay? Today is a little bit exciting because I am going to be doing a unboxing. Well, it is a semi-unboxing because my sister's already opened the palette. Thank you, love. Yeah, I can still show you guys what the palette looks like, and I'm going to use it today for my makeup look, so yes. Ta-da! The Mercury Retrograde palette that everyone on Instagram has been using currently, so I thought that why not get it as well. Okay, let's open it up. So this is the palette. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18 shades in it. It was £60, right? And I was thinking, oh, okay, it's a little bit pricey because £60 for a palette. But then if you look inside, it has like your nudes, it has your glitter shades, it has your deep colors. So it's like 4 mini palettes in one big one. So yeah, I'm mad at it. I have to do like 3 swatches. Okay, let's check the gold. Right, because I usually love the gold. This is without any setting spray or anything. Right. Okay, that's one. Try the deeper one. Let's try the pinky one. Guys, look how pigmented this is. Okay, that was without any light as well that I was showing you guys because it reflected so much. But it's very shiny, very pigmented. I really like the glitter tones. It isn't clumpy, it isn't any fallout like I've seen previously in different palettes, and I really like the texture of it. So yeah, very nice and smooth and very pigmented. Well done, Huda. She's like the queen of makeup. My skin's dry. It's the winter time, so I have to put my E45. You guys know I'm going to go ahead and use my mole serum to begin with because this is life for my skin. This helps my skin with my dryness, any hyperpigmentation, any redness. This is just my miracle oil. If you guys ain't got it, go ahead and pick this shit up because it'll do wonders for your skin. So what I usually do is mix both my foundations, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk and the Too Faced Born This Way one. I just find that they just go so well together when I want to do like evening or party kind of makeup, because Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk is buildable, but it isn't like super coverage. You get coverage, but it isn't as good as mixing it with Too Faced, because I feel like Too Faced on its own is quite cakey, and then when you mix it with Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, you just get just the best combination of coverage and silkiness and dewiness too. So yeah, if you guys haven't picked this thing up, you need to pick it up. This is the Tarte Concealer. It's just amazing. The best coverage. It's just so good as a concealer, and I freaking love it. And I use medium sand. I was supposed to have taken Caleb because I didn't want to go alone, but then it's somebody else's birthday today, so my mama and my sister have decided to take Caleb and let me go by myself. And usually you want to go by yourself, but I just feel like I have such a great time with Caleb. He keeps me good company, so but it's fine. He'll have fun with them, I guess, because what child enjoys weddings, eh? The Hoola Quickie Contour Stick is life as well. So blend this in. You know you gotta get rid of the double chin. Okay, my favorite Laura Mercier translucent powder, OVS. I love it. So let's get into it. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty palette. Okay guys, I must admit I love my eye makeup. I don't usually do this kind of eye makeup, but I freaking love it. Look at it, look. Wait. It's 100% worth the money, and I highly recommend this palette because it's pigmented as hell. I'm completely done. Let's see what time it is. I'm late as hell. As per usual, nothing different right there. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you have any doubts about buying the Huda Beauty palette, I would so get it personally. So anyway, this video isn't sponsored. I bought the palette with my own money, and these are my honest opinions. I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.